And I was like, you know, like sometimes I just need to remind myself that I am enough.
Oh yeah, holla if you hear me. Yeah. Here we go, turn it up, let it start. From block to block, we snatching hearts and jacking marks. And the punk police can't play me and maybe we can have peace someday, G. But right now I got my mind set up, looking down the barrel of a 9, get up.
I'm doing my own little thing. You decided to dip, and now you want a trip. Cause another brother noticed me. I'm up on him, he up on me. Don't pay him any attention. Kept crying my tears, kids, 3 good years. You can't be mad at me. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad what you see, that he want it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it.
Thank you.
Have a great weekend.
Thank you. I will be back.
Yeah, thank you so much.
All right, y'all, so I just left Yardbird here in Dallas. It was so good. Oh my gosh, like I'm so full. The service was great, and the mimosas, A1. So we're about to go to Highland Park. I don't even remember what floor I parked on. I think B1, I don't know. But we're about to make it to the car, and then we go to Highland Park. I do want to check out Le Labo, so I don't think it's B1 though. No.
Going down.
Maybe. All right, y'all, so I found my car after the like garage people helped me, so thankful for them. But like I said, we got to go to Highland Park. I didn't know they had one here in Dallas, so we gonna check it out, okay?
Walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of body, girl. How will you get it from? Not by your entrance. Ram, pam, 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 pam. Can you let me in? Why? I sing. Oh man, I want to settle down. Really start a plan to how you look. I come to one conclusion. Wow. You're supposed to know.
All right, guys, we are here now to find parking.
Egging me, boy, you gotta be shitting me. Is you like a comedian? You gotta be kidding me.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge.
Let me check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this. He ain't never even been impressed like this.
Gender neutral fragrances, they're all unisex.
Stand in line, please.
He ain't never seen it in a dress like this. He ain't never even been impressed like this. Probably why I got him quiet on the set like zip. Like it, love it, need it, bad. Take it, own it, steal it, fast. The boy stop playing, grab my ass.
Okay. What have you smelled so far?
This has been my favorite so far. I smelled this.
This is one of my favorites.
Yeah, that one's my favorite so far.
Drop the bass, main the bass, get lower. Radio say speed it up, I just go slower. I like trouble, hopping on knees. The man ain't ever seen the booty like this. And why you think my name rolling off the tongue? So when you wanna smash, I just write another one. I sneeze on the beat and the beat got sicko. Don't say all on his mouth like this.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could
Don't
teach
say
you.
all on his mouth like this.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could
Don't
teach
say
you.
all on his mouth like this.
And it's too hot to be walking around Highland Park, so I am actually gonna go get a pedicure. And I've never been to this place. It's actually by my house, so we're about to leave Highland Park. Turn the AC up on all, baby. But gonna go get this pedicure, and I'll show you guys what I got at Le Labo and at Chanel when I get home. Okay, so I'll see you guys when I get to the nail salon.
I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you pick up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying you do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you do better.
started, and only if you make me. Girl said it keeps on playing games, and it's like...
All right, you guys, so I'm back home again. As you can tell, I'm changed. I went to the grocery store. I had to pick up a couple of things before they closed, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got from Chanel and from Le Labo. I wanted to actually get some inspiration for future, but I did get the Coco Mademoiselle perfume, and I got the larger bottle because why not, right? And this is actually kind of like one of my favorites, so I just was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and get it. This is what the bottle looks like. Oh, that's bad. And then let me just tell you guys the notes, because I have it pulled up right here. It's a floral woodsy fragrance, which is probably why I like it. I'm not like a big floral girl. Like, I'm real woodsy, citrus, spicy-ish type. I don't know. But it does have orange, which is kind of why I'm drawn to it, because like I said, I do like citrus fragrance. And it also has jasmine and May rose. This is a perfect citrus, floral, woodsy blend. So I really like this one, and like I said, this is what the bottle looks like. If you're in Dallas, make sure you hit up Johnny, because he's the bomb. And then I'll just show you guys what I got from Le Labo. It was my first time actually going to Le Labo. I had heard Aaliyah Face talk about it all the time, like I said, and I just really wanted to go and check it out and see what they were all about. So this is the bag, Le Labo. And they kind of gave me like this neat like newspaper type spread. Huh. It's called Le Journal, like Le Labo. So I'll probably read that soon. Oh, yeah, I'll probably look into that and read that. So this is the box that it comes in. And I got sent Tonka 25. And this one was, like, it's so unique when you go there. They asked you, like, hey, like, what is something that you're trying to overcome, or like, you know, just what do you want this fragrance to remind you of? And I was having like such a horrible week, and I didn't give her details, of course, but I just told her like, this is just how I feel. And she was like, well, what about this, what about that? And I was like, you know, like, sometimes I just need to remind myself that I am enough. And they actually customized the label. I don't know if you guys are able to see it, but it does say I am enough on there. So that's like really cool of them to do. So we're just gonna go ahead and open this one. As you can tell, I didn't open this one, so let me just grab a box cutter. Okay, Highland Park is amazing. Like, there's different restaurants and stuff down there, so if you ever get a chance, just make sure that you go and check it out. They give you kind of like this welcome card, I guess. It says, welcome to the world of Le Labo, and thank you for purchasing our creations. And then some other information. We take as long as 2 years to develop each perfume. We do not compromise on its aesthetic nor quality. And all of the perfumes and fragrances are vegan. It's the Tonka 25, and I got the smaller bottle. Ooh, that's so bad. And like I said, on there it says I am enough, and she put like little cute heart emojis just as a warm reminder. When I wear Tonka 25, like, I just wanted to be reminded that I am enough. I also have the notes pulled up here just so I can tell you guys. It has woodsy notes and a subtle hint of sweetness. It evokes the smell of warm skin and resinous wood. It has musk and drops of vanilla, which I smelled. And the notes say orange flower, cedar, and resins, and obviously Tonka. So the Tonka bean is like a tree. You could typically find like Tonka in like tobacco and liquor and various soaps and some cosmetics. Like I said, if you're near a Le Labo, just check them out. And like, I just feel like this was so sweet. Like, it tells me who made it. It was made in Dallas by Brian on whatever date. And then, like I said, it'll tell you whatever reason you want to put on there. And I just put I am enough. So that is the end of today. I hope you guys enjoyed my day. Do I feel very relaxed? Yes, I do. I've decompressed. I just feel so much better than I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. And again, if you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and check out some of my other videos while you're here, okay? All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you next time.